Hi, I'm Ali Ashpital. I'm Head of Sustainability for the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team. I'm responsible for setting our strategy to achieve net zero, reduce our resource consumption and deliver ecological protection. No 2 days in this role are the same, from working with the logistics and race team to implement our sustainable fuel strategy to supporting the team at the factory operate more efficiently. I engage and encourage the team to make more responsible and sustainable decisions to embed sustainable high performance across all our operations. Sustainability is all about efficiency and doing more with less. My team finds ways to reduce our waste, optimise our energy consumption, and allows the team to be more efficient to support us in our sustainable high performance journey. Our sustainable fuel strategy allows us to go travelling more sustainably where we have to travel. This season, we're using HVO 100 across the entire European road freight to help reduce our emissions by up to 88%. We're also looking at how we fly and how we can do that better. We're investing in sustainable aviation fuel to reduce our race team travel emissions. In 2022, we were able to reduce race team air travel emissions by 46%. In the factory, we're increasing efficiency by removing gas across the site and installing energy recovery on our autoclaves. We're also installing AI-enabled smart monitoring across the factory to help us understand our energy consumption and identify ways to become more efficient with our usage. The most challenging part of my job is that not all the solutions exist today that we know we're going to need to solve the sustainability challenges of the future. That's also an exciting opportunity because it allows us to be at the cutting edge of innovation. We're a team of problem solvers and we have to link up with new technologies and solutions to enable us to go further, faster. My favourite part of my job is being able to solve some of the unknown problems we have today. For example, how we can support our highly technical and specialised supply chain on their decarbonisation journey to become more sustainable. Something I'm really excited about that's coming up in the future is our site redevelopment. We're embedding sustainability across everything that we do here at the factory. From looking at how we reduce waste in the hub, our on-site restaurant, to looking at how we can operate more effectively across places like the machine shop and the autoclaves. We're going to be targeting significant energy reduction, and we'll also be looking at how we can embed biodiversity net gain across the entire campus. Through efficiency projects on site, we're looking to increase the recycling rate to up to 60% and to reduce our water consumption per person per day by 50%. Last year, we trialled the use of HVO 100 across 16 of our European race trucks for the final 3 races of the season. This was a really important trial for us. It allowed us to understand how we could reduce our road freight emissions by up to 88%, and that we could do that without having an impact on efficiency. This year, we're rolling that trial out across the entire European season. We're looking at saving over 200 tonnes of carbon through this project alone. In 2022, we took on the challenge of rebaselining our full carbon footprint. This involved us going back to source across everything that we do across every department to understand our full footprint. This was a tough challenge because it required us to collect huge data sets over a vast team. But what was really rewarding about this was being able to look at the end result in the last couple of weeks and understand that we now fully know our footprint and we're able to deliver on our emissions reduction targets. I studied earth sciences at university, which involved studying past climate and also future climate scenarios, and also involved a little bit of planetary science. When I left university, I knew I definitely wanted to work in sustainability because I wanted to be part of the solution to some of the biggest challenges the world is facing today. And so I actually started out in construction. It's an industry that faces a lot of challenges around reducing emissions, and I wanted to work somewhere where I felt I could have a real impact. I loved working in construction for over 6 years, but when I saw this job come up within the team, it was my absolute dream job and I had to go for it. I've now been with the team for about 18 months and loving every minute of it.